Did you know that hibiscus tea is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrition? Here are 10 surprising nutrition facts about hibiscus tea that you may not have known before. Number 1. Antioxidant Powerhouse. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Number 2. Vitamin C Boost. One of the standout features of hibiscus tea is its high content of vitamin C. This essential nutrient is known for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to promote healthy skin by supporting collagen production. Number 3. Blood pressure regulation. Research suggests that hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure due to its natural diuretic properties. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea may contribute to better cardiovascular health by supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Number 4. Heart health support. In addition to lowering blood pressure, hibiscus tea has been associated with lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 5. Caffeine-free delight. Unlike coffee or black tea, hibiscus tea is caffeine-free, making it an excellent alternative for individuals looking to reduce their caffeine intake. This makes it suitable for consumption at any time of the day without affecting sleep quality. Number 6. Weight management aid. Hibiscus tea may aid in weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism and promoting feelings of fullness. Its diuretic properties can also help reduce water retention, contributing to a leaner appearance. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory elixir. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate pain and swelling in the body. Regular consumption may offer relief for conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Number 8. Natural relief for menstrual cramps. Thanks to its muscle-relaxing effects, hibiscus tea is a natural remedy for menstrual cramps. Drinking hibiscus tea during menstruation can help ease discomfort and promote relaxation. Number 9. Low-calorie option. For those watching their calorie intake, hibiscus tea is a fantastic choice. It is naturally low in calories, making it a guilt-free beverage option compared to sugary drinks like sodas and fruit juices. Number 10. Delicious and versatile. Last but certainly not least, hibiscus tea is simply delicious and refreshing. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, hibiscus tea delights the senses with its vibrant color and tangy flavor profile. It's the perfect beverage to quench your thirst and nourish your body at any time of the day. Thanks for exploring these fascinating nutrition facts about hibiscus tea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips and facts to enhance your well-being.